right, start recording here. Record. And look. There it is. Right, today we're going to bring an endoscope. We actually need it because we got something in the sink that just got stuck. I set it up here. It has LED lights. You have to download the app. They give you two adapters, a Type-C and a Thunderbolt for your actual iPhone. All right, so they give you all that, extra little hooks with magnets, and these don't actually set up. You have to actually thread them in there, right? So you have to spin it, make sure so they won't fall in there. And I'm putting the hook because we are gonna use the hook, and you can see it here. So let's see if we could try to get this thing out, right? Of course, you could record. So we are gonna record it. We could capture, allow. You could capture, video recording. You could take pictures and so forth.
Not only does it have a magnet, it does come with a hook, just in case you need to pull something that's in your drain, or if you need to retrieve something that's in your drain. You have the magnet, whatever it may be. Pretty cool.